What's up guys, this is Alex Halford, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to mix audio in Vegas Pro 17. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we are in Vegas Pro 17, and right here I have the song Come Alive by Netsky in my timeline. So in order to actually mix kind of like the audio or the song that you want to adjust, you want to basically first decide what do you want to do. Do you want to equalize it a little bit? Do you want to take out the low frequencies? Do you want to add a little bit more bass? That's all possible in Vegas Pro 17. So this is the song that we're gonna mix today. Okay, so that's basically what we're gonna use. And you can also license this songs and many other ones on licked.co. A link is in the description, obviously. So right here, we're gonna click on the effects button, and then we'll prompt this box. And right here, you want to basically decide what do you want to do. Do you want to add distortion? Do you want to go ahead and, use a compressor? Do you want to add in reverb? All that. So let's just go ahead and start by equalizing this one. So pick the graphic EQ, and then we can click on add, click on OK, and then we see all kinds of lines right here. And if you want to, for example, add in more bass, we're gonna also drag this guy up. So I'm gonna also do that as a live effect. So this is basically slowly adding the effect during the song. So that's basically how you can also add in more bass. If you want to make it a lot sharper, you're going to also drag the opposite side to the top, or a little bit more up, basically, than instead of the top. So let's also hear what that sounds like. So what that does is actually it makes the hi-hat of the drums a little bit more sharp. So in terms of like EQing, that's basically how you can do it. But let's say that we want to add in some reverb and some echo. We're going to go back to this plugin chain, and we're going to click on this icon, and then what we need to do is find the reverb button right here. Click on OK, click on add, click on OK. So then we will see this box, and right here we have two kind of like options, and you want to basically, don't touch this one, but you want to mainly focus, for example, on the preset, for example, bright hall, and the mode as well. So let's go ahead and pick a bright hall. Let's see what that sounds like. Maybe like you're playing it in like a really, really huge hall. Okay, so as you can hear, this is basically without the reverb, and this is with, like, it adds in a lot more echo. And you want to also avoid that your audio is going to start clipping. That's meaning that it's going into the red zone, because that's going to really like hurt the ears of your viewers. So in order to actually like EQ this, and you can also add in reverb, and like, I think reverb, delay, and echo are kind of the same. So this is basically how you also do that, guys. So if you want to remove them all, you want to right click on these dots. So if you want to say like, okay, I'm going to bring this one up, but the rest of it, I want to keep that down. You just want to click on these icons, and you want to just drag them down one by one. The more you click on the line, the more icons it will automatically create for you to adjust, and as you can see, create those peaks and really like fine tune it. And that's basically a how to mix audio in Vegas Pro 17. So guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. If you would like to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe down below to the Licked YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to also follow us on social media. Links are in the description down below. If you would like to license the track I used in this video or other commercial tracks, head over to the Licked website, which is in the description down below. And we will see you guys obviously next time.